Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Morgosh Cuisine, my Desi kitchen with the Western touch. Today I'm sharing the recipe of Panjiri, Indian or Pakistani sweet snack, treated as nutritional supplement. I made it for a friend who just delivered a baby. A great family recipe coming on your way. So let's go and cook it. So for this yummy and nutritional snacks, things we need will be some white granulated sugar, then I have some semolina, Soojhi. I'll be using some butter, you can use clarified butter ghee as well. And then I have these sunflower seeds, char maghaz. I'll be using some herbal gondh. Then I have sliced chopped almonds and pistachios. You can add cashew nuts or whatever dry fruits you want. Then I'll be using these makhanay. You can get these from any Desi, Pakistani, Indian store. So these are all ingredients which I'll be using today. You can add whatever nutritional ingredient you want. So now first heat the pan, add your butter and let it melt. Then we have to add our semolina, Soojhi. And now on a very low flame, start cooking until you see that it started changing its color. It will turn like a pinkish, wheatish, brownish color, and then you can start feeling that cooked semolina aroma as well. And this process will take like good 15 to 16 minutes. Now transfer and let it cool completely. And now we have to follow the same procedure for all the other ingredients. First I fried almonds. I added the pistachios in the same pan and let them roast completely. Just keep an eye on them. They can get burned faster. Then I fried herbal gondh, and let it cook with a little bit of butter until you feel that it's getting a little sticky. Then it means it's done. Then I did makhanay, char maghaz, and just roast all the ingredients and transfer them into the other bowl and let them cool completely. So there are all my ingredients roasted, and now take a mixing bowl. First add your roasted semolina, then your roasted almonds and pistachios, and then add the gondh, and then add your makhanay, sunflower seeds, and whatever ingredients you're using in this recipe, just add all of them right now and stir it well. Then add your sugar. In this recipe, it totally depends on your taste, how sweet you like this panjiri. Just mix it and then try it in the middle. If you think you can add more, and that's it, it's done. Transfer it into an airtight container and keep it on your breakfast table and have it a teaspoon in the morning. So if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you make it, please leave me a comment down below. How did you like it? How it turned out with you? And if you want to learn something else, please let me know. I'll try to do it for you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. And with this panjiri, I gave her this Onesie DIY cupcakes with some goodies. So if you want to learn how I did that, I will leave the link down below for you guys. If you don't want to miss out yet another yummy recipe like this, don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Facebook or Instagram.